Hello, the question says find the square root of 84 plus 32 root 5. So to solve, we'll say let the square root equals root A plus root B, such that the square root of 84 plus 32 root 5 equals root A plus root B. So if we square both sides, this becomes 84 plus 32 root 5 equals root A plus root B all raised to the power. So let us expand this right hand side. That is root A plus root B, and root A plus root B. So this gives us A, and this gives us plus root AB plus root AB plus B. So this gives A plus B plus 2 root AB. This implies that 84 plus 32 root 5 equals A plus B plus 2 root AB. So from here we can draw out equations such that the whole number we equate it with the whole number, and the root function we equate it with the root function. So therefore 84 equals A plus B. Let us call this equation 1, and 32 root 5 equals 2 root AB. Just call this equation 2. Now let us solve for AB in equation 2. From equation 2, we have root AB equals 16 root 5. What I did was I divided this 2 by 32. So let us square both sides such that AB equals 16 root 5 raised to the power of 2. So AB, so when I did so 16 multiplied by 16 gives me 256, and root 5 becomes 5. So AB equals 1280. So let us call this equation 3. Recall from equation 1, we have A 84 equals A plus B. So let us solve for A in this expression such that A equals 84 minus B. Let us call this equation 4. So substitute this equation 4 in equation 3 such that it now becomes 84 minus B. We have B equals 1280. So this becomes 84B minus B squared equals 1280. So let us write this minus B plus, or let me take it to the other side so that we have a positive expression. So B squared minus 84B plus 1280 equals 0. So the next thing is to look for the factors. So B squared minus 64B. So when I solve, I got minus 64 and minus 20B plus 1280 equals 0. So B squared minus 64B minus 20B plus 128.0. So let me rub this side. So let us factor out so that b minus 64. So if we factor out minus 20 from here, so minus 20 equals b minus 64. So b minus 20 and b minus 64 equals 0. So b equals 20 or b equals 64. So when b equals 20, let us take it back to the question 4 to solve for a. A equals 84 minus 20, which is 64. So when b equals 64, so a equals 84 minus 64, which is 20. Now let us go back to our initial equation. Recall that we said root 84 minus 32 root 5 equals root a plus root b. So let us substitute the value of a and b. So when a is 64, so that is 64 plus root 20. So this gives us 8 plus, that is root 4 multiplied by 5. So this gives us 8 plus 2 root 5 around this. So on the other side, so root 84 minus 32 root 5. So when a is 20 and b is 64, so this gives us 2 root 5 plus 8. So it is still the same thing, that is 8 plus 2 root 5. So this is the square root of this expression, 84 minus 32 root 5. So if you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you very much, and please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop awesome solutions like this, you'll be notified and we can both learn together. Thank you very much. See you next time.